Sea Lanes has been been a long journey to get to the point where it is today. Originally there was a lot of community interest and demand for facilities on this part of the seafront, and that was a 10-year, 12-year journey to get to this point today. And in that process we had a pop-up stage. And I think when it comes to sustainability, the people that the directors and everyone who got involved and who funded this project, sustainability has always been front of mind for us. We're on the seafront. We see the tourism, we see what it does to the area, and we are not going to be a part of that problem. So with now we have 3 sites now. We always start with a pop-up, and that has hand in hand with sustainability and with being financially responsible. We understand what we need and what the business levels are, and we understand the problems with the initial setup without spending too much money, and then we can scale up and build a site like we have today, and that's where I think the magic really happens. In that process for us, it's been very challenging. We realised that even though we started right from the beginning and sustainability has been a core focus for us, these challenges constantly pop up. When you get busier, it gets harder. And so, and then the environmental element, but also the financial element, it really does clash. My role specifically, I was brought in to work on growth and sustainability, so I'm kind of in the middle there, trying to find solutions, and we have had some great solutions. I mean, we're fortunate that we are in a position where our core values mean we invest in the solutions. We have solar panels on the pool, we're doing lots of research, but it is difficult to heat a pool, and it's difficult to run an F&B without producing waste, without producing waste. So our key focus at this point in time has been we are single-use plastic free to customer. That's removing all non-essential plastics has been a very simple and easy solution that has given us a first step towards reducing waste in totality. It means we don't get anything ending up on the beach, and it means that we also give that experience where you aren't handing wrappers and we aren't having to dispose of that waste. That does come with operational challenges, and I think that is something that we're really passionate about investigating, understanding, and then sharing our learnings, because I mean that's why we're here today.